Hi guys, I'm Venkatesh Srinivasan. I'm currently working as Deputy Manager in TVS Credit Limited. I graduated from SRM Ishwari Engineering College from the Department of Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering, also known as E&I, in the year 2012. So today I'm sitting here in front of you to let you know what a great pick it is for you guys to choose E&I as your graduate degree program. See, there are only a very few departments in the engineering spectrum that provide you insights into both IT and non-IT side. That is the core side. E&I is one such department. See, take my case. In my final year, I got placed in a top MNC in the IT side and a top company in the core side as well. So E&I is one such department that lets you discover your interests and pursue your career towards it. This is one of the perks of choosing a good department such as E&I. Whenever I speak of my college days, I still remember my second year and third year days when our staff and in particular our HOD used to encourage us continuously to write a lot of technical papers and present it in symposiums across Chennai, across Tamil Nadu. I even remember my HOD who pushed me and constantly encouraged me to write and present papers, that she even made me present in international conferences that happened in North Indian states. Such is the excellence of staff, non-staff and HOD you have at the Department of E&I. In my final days of college, I decided that I wanted to pursue my higher studies in management. So I took it up to my HOD and few particular staffs, and I was speaking with them as to what I have to do. I still remember how they continuously guided me in picking the right material to read, the right exams to attend, and the right course to pursue on. So I went on to write TANCET, secure a state rank, and pursue my MBA in finance from a prestigious institution. Today, if I call myself even a little bit, successful in life, I definitely owe it to my staff at SRM Ishwari Engineering College and in particular my HOD and staff of the E&I department. So if you, like me, are in a stage of life where you are about to pick a career or at least a course to pursue in graduate studies, I would highly recommend that you look into SRM Ishwari Engineering College and the Department of E&I in particular, because I'm sure you will reach great heights with the various opportunities that this college and this department provides. Have a great time.